Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a Wizz Air account. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Wizz Air website at wizzair.com. You may land on a localized version, and that's perfectly fine. The process is the same across regions. Once the homepage loads, look to the top of the page for the sign-in option and click it. A panel or page will appear with login fields. Since you're creating a new account, select registration to open the sign-up form. Now fill in your personal details carefully. Enter your first name exactly as it appears on your travel document, then do the same for your last name. Matching your name to your passport or ID helps prevent check-in issues later. Next, select your birth date using the date picker. Take a moment to verify the day, month, and year are correct before moving on. Enter your email address, making sure there are no typos. This email will receive booking confirmations and important notifications, as well as your activation message, so make sure you can access it right away. After that, select your country code from the drop-down list, then type your phone number. Use a format the site accepts and avoid adding the country code twice. A valid number can help with security notifications or travel updates. Create a secure password for your new account. Aim for a strong mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other services. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to save the login details for future sign-ins. Before completing the form, review any required consent checkboxes, such as agreeing to the terms and conditions or privacy policy. Tick the necessary boxes after you've read the summaries or full documents as needed. You'll likely also see a CAPTCHA. Complete it by following the on-screen prompts. If it doesn't pass on the first try, refresh or attempt it again. Submit the registration. You should see a message prompting you to verify your email. Open a new tab and go to Gmail. In your inbox, look for the message from Wizz Air. If it's not there, check your spam or promotions folders. Open the email and click the activation or verification link. The link may expire after a while, so it's best to do this step promptly. Once confirmed, you'll be redirected or see a success message. Return to the Wizz Air site and sign in with your email and password. Your account is now ready to use for searching flights, managing bookings, and saving traveler details for faster checkout.